Hello boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Alpha One982 YouTube family. Today we're gonna make this beautiful paracord bracelet, the very easiest and the fastest way to make the Paracord Friendship bracelet with the sliding knot. As you can see, it's very easy to wear. So let's start. From the beginning we need two of these Paracord 550 white cords, two of this red Paracord 550 also, and one of the sky blue paracord, shorter, and one a bit bigger, or twice in the size. So there are no particular measurements for this. You'll simply need to take the cord before you cut it, like this, and measuring your wrist. So this is one, and one more. You need this cord to be twice as the width of your wrist, as you can see here. So my wrist is around 7.5 inch or 21 centimeters, so this is around 41 or 44 centimeters or 14 inches. So I have here two of this red, total length of each is 14 inch, white also, and the blue one is 14 inch, and the other, this longer one, needs to be twice as that, so it's around, let's say 30 inches to be precise. So let's start. Take the colors. The order is one you choose, so I will make like this. And that's it. Now simply take this blue cord, which is longer than the other, and simply take it, make the one pass around here, like this, make the other one like so, and simply put it through these two loops, and tie it up. Align the cords, and pull it to make it tight, like so. So here we have the cross knot, which is the basic holder for our cords, as you can see. Now we're gonna take and start making the bracelet. It's the simplest and easiest way to make the friendship bracelet. So pull this across like this, then this one on this side, and this, I know that you're familiar with the pattern, so I simply showing how to make it. Pay attention to the cords here to be, let me zoom a bit, so you see cords are even. Pull it, the bracelet needs to be the tight and the cords should be even, so make sure that you're squeezing it and tightening it as much as you can, so it will be nice and firm, like this. And continue with the weaves. Now here I think it's about the end of the bracelet. It's the enough, yes, it's the just enough length to reach my wrist in total. So here I'm gonna make the one more knot. Actually I use more cord that I need, so it's the amount around 3 inch, so cut off the 3 inch from the beginning and you will have the right amount of the cord you need for this project. So make the 2 knots, make the 2 loops as you saw. Let me show you again. So take the one and then make the another crossing from the left and simply pull it through like this. And pull it tight so everything will be firm as is. Okay, so here it is, guys, ladies and gentlemen, madame, monsieur, boys and girls. The bracelet is almost finished. I need first cut off these extra cords and then make the stop knot, so stay tuned. Now when we've done this, simply let me just zoom out a bit. Okay, just take the microcord, this red one, and simply make the center of this, and we're gonna do the basic Solomon knot in the middle of this, so we have the nice stop knot. I know that you are all familiar with the Solomon knot, so when you've done this, take this left one on top of this blue and this right one on top of the left, under, through, and tight it up. Now, right one on top, left under, through, okay. Now I'm gonna cut off the microcord. And we are finished. Now, the basic principle of this is when you can pull it, and here simply pull the one side, then the other one until the end, and here we are. The bracelet is finished, and now just make sure that you measure right length of this, so you will cut off the excess of a cord, so this will be enough for my hand. Okay, now here I'm gonna make the simple knot like this. And here also. So here we are. Now we're gonna cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down, and we need to melt it the other cords as well. So here, the bracelet is finished, the stop knot also, and I hope that you like this video. If you do, please do subscribe, hit the like button, give a thumb up, share with your friends and family, and enjoy the next paracord tutorial on one and only your family channel, Alpha One982 YouTube family. Enjoy!